Good morning, students. I am Hitu, PGT English from Suraj School, Rewari. Dear students, today we will discuss your chapter number 3, Discovering Tut. It also can be pronounced as Tut. The saga continues. First of all, I will tell you the introduction of this chapter. Discovering Tut, the saga continues, written by A.R. Williams. This chapter is about the last heir of the powerful Pharaoh dynasty, Tutankhamun, who died when he was a teenager after ruling for 9 years. He died in a mysterious way. This chapter throws light over all the possible mysteries, the curse, where his tomb lies, his life, and ultimately death. Egyptians believe Egyptians believe that there is a life after death, and this is the reason why the pharaohs were buried with wealth and everything and everyday use item. This is a short introduction of this chapter. Let's start the chapter. So first of all, just pause the video and read the first paragraph of this chapter. Yes, students, in this paragraph, the author describes that Tutankhamun, also known as Tut, was a teenager when he died. He was the last successor of his powerful Pharaoh dynasty, which ruled Egypt and its empire for centuries. He was laid on rest, heavily loaded with gold. His tomb was discovered in 1922, which made the world raise a question about what had happened to him and whether he had been murdered. After almost 80 years, his body was about to undergo a CT scan, which would give new information and clues about his life and death. His face would be recreated with the help of a procedure called forensic reconstruction. Yes, student, again pause the video and read the next paragraph of this chapter. According to the next paragraph, a fast, strange, and unnatural wind was blowing as King Tut's body was taken from his grave called Valley of Kings, an ancient Egyptian cemetery. The location of the Valley of the King is given in the image. Dark clouds moved quickly across the desert all day long and later they covered the stars. On January 5th, 2005, at 6 p.m., King Tut's mummy, which is the world's most famous mummy, was placed in the CT scanner to investigate the mystery behind his death, which had occurred more than 3,300 years ago. Now, read the next paragraph. According to the next paragraph, all afternoon, tourists visited the 26 feet deep underground rope cut tomb to pay respect to the king. Many people stuffed in the small tomb and looked in admiration at the murals on the walls of the chamber and took a look at the face of the Tut that had been painted with gold. While visitors read the guidebooks in a whispered tone, some stood silently, wondering about his untimely death in his teen years. They might also be wondering if the curse of the Pharaoh, which leads to the descent of misfortune upon the person who disturbs him, is true. Yes, students, again pause the video and read the next paragraph. According to the next paragraph, as Jahi Hawass, Secretary General of Egypt, leaned over the body to have a look, he said that the mummy was in a very bad condition because of what the British archaeologist Howard Carter did to it in 1920s. He discovered Tut He discovered King Tut's tomb in 1922 after a long search. The valuable treasure of the Tut had been explored earlier too, but surprisingly they were complete. The treasure found at Tut's grave is the richest till date and has become to be known as the Pharaoh's legend. It has an It has art- artifacts in gold which was eternally beautiful and as good as new. Such artifacts still get attention. It was buried with things of daily use like razor made of bronze, games, linen, undergarments, and boxes of food and wine which he would he could use in the next life. Again, read the next paragraph. According to the next paragraph, Carter took a few months to record the treasure found in Toot's grave. Then he began investigating his three coffins which were nested one in another. The in the first coffin, he found a piece of cloth with garland of willows, olive leaves, olive leaves, wild celery, lotus petals, and cornflowers, which suggested that he had been buried in the month of March or April. When he reached the third coffin, he was in a trouble. The body had hardened due to the resins which had cemented the body and it had stuck to the bottom of the coffin which was made of gold. Carter wondered what to do next because no amount of force could separate the two. Accord- Again, pause the video and read the next paragraph. According to the next paragraph, Carter tried to loosen the resins by keeping the body in hot sun. He kept the mummy in 149 Fahrenheit heat for several hours, but still it remained stuck. He reported that a chisel could be used to cut down the mummy from the limbs and trunk so that Tut's body Tut body could be taken out of the coffin. Yes, student. Again, pause the video and read the next paragraph. In the next paragraph, William described that, according to Carter, he had no choice other than to cut the mummy. He believed that if he had not done that, thieves would have removed the gold from the tomb and would have looted it. During Tut's time, the royal people were very wealthy and they had a belief that after death they could take the wealth along with them. So, his life after death, for his life after death, he was given precious collar, necklace with decorative pattern, bracelets, ring, amulets, ceremonial apron, sandals, seats for fingers and toes, and now an iconic inner coffin and a mask. His men removed his head and every joint of his body. After they finished, they reassembled the remains in a wooden box with padding filled with a layer of sand to conceal the damage. It was his now resting place. Again, pause the video and read the next paragraph. According to the next paragraph, in the past few decades, archaeology has changed as it now focuses on the details of life and mysteries of death. Earlier, it was about focusing on the treasure. Now, it uses more advanced medical technologies and tools for research. In 1968, an anatomy professor x-rayed Tut's mummy and revealed that the front limbs and breastbone were missing. Again, pause the video and read the next paragraph. According to the next paragraph, now with the advancement of the technology, CT scan or computer tomography can give a virtual image of the whole body. With the help of the technology, King Tut's body would be scanned to find answers of the two questions: how he died and how old was he at the time of his death. According to the next paragraph, his death was a shock to the royals, also as he was the last person of his family and his funeral indicated the dismissal of his dynasty. However, what happened after his death is still not clear. Again, pause the video and read the next paragraph. Students, the next paragraph is very important because it gives us the detail of Tut's family. According to the next paragraph, Tut's father or grandfather, it is not clear. Tut's father or grandfather, Amenhotep III, was a powerful pharaoh who ruled over a period of 40 years. His son Amenhotep IV succeeded him and began to the strangest period in the history of Egypt. He promoted the worship of Aten. The Aten means the sun disk. He changed his name to Akhenaton, meaning servant of Athens. He also shifted the religious capital from Thebes to the new city of Akhenaton. called Amarna. Further, he attacked Amun, a god, smashed his images, and closed his temples. Ray Johnson, director of the University of Chicago, said it must have been a bad time for the empire as the family who ruled for centuries came to the came to an end and Akhenaten moved in an old direction. Again, read the next paragraph. According to the next paragraph, another mysterious ruler, Samin Khekre, succeeded him and died soon. Next, Tutankhamun, also known as Tut, sat on the throne and ruled for 9 years. He worshipped god Amun in the old ways. However, he died mysteriously. Tut is one of the mummies in Egypt, whereas still now, with the help of the Egyptian Mummy Project, which started in 2003, almost 600 mummies have been recorded so far. Tut, King Tut's mummy was the first one to be scanned by CT scan machine. Under the next phase of scanning the mummies with the machine donated by the National Geography Society and Siemens. Again, pause the video and read the next paragraph. According to the next paragraph, the CT scan machine scanned the body by creating 1700 digital X-ray in cross sections. Tut's head was scanned in 0.62 mm slices to record the tiny details. The resulting image was very strange. A team of radiology, forensic, and atomic experts started examining the secrets of the grave that have been protected by the flying goddess for a long time. Again, pause the video and read the last paragraph of this piece. According to that paragraph, during the night, workmen climbed up on the ramp and the flight of the stairs to carry the body from the tomb into the spinning sand outside. They rose body onto a hydraulic lift, then into a trailer where the scanner was kept. After 20 minutes, two workmen ran towards the office nearby to bring two fins. The scanner was not working as the scent had entered a cooler fin. The guard joked that it was because of the curse of the Pharaoh, because they had removed his body. Yes, Peter. Again, pause the video and read the next paragraph. According to the next paragraph, once the fin worked, the procedure was finished. The data was checked in case of any losses, and then the technician returned the body to the pallbearers who carried him back to his tomb. In less than 3 hours, he was resting at the same place where the priests had laid him many years ago. Again, pause the video and read the next paragraph. According to the next paragraph, in the trailer, the technicians showed a beautiful image of Tut on a computer screen. He showed the grey hat, which was scattered in pixels, and the spun it round. Next, the vertebrae, hand, rib cage, and transection of the skull were shown. As the work was done, the pressure was finally off from the shoulders of Jahi Havas. While sitting in the chair, he smiled and said that he was revealed that nothing went wrong. He had not slept the previous night, and now, as the work was finished, he would go and sleep. Yes, Pita. Now, read the last, again pause the video and read the last paragraph of this chapter. According to this paragraph, by the time they left the trailer, the wind had stopped, and the winter air was l- like dead itself. Just about the tomb, the Orion constellation shone in the night sky, watching over the boy king. That's the description of this chapter. Thank you, Beta. Have a nice day.